Hi everyone. Today we are going to start with the subtraction of integers. Earlier we have done the operation of addition of integers. Now we will be starting with subtraction, and today we will be doing multiplication of integers also. Now subtraction of integers is exercise 3.4. In this we are going to start with example 15. Subtract minus 3 from 2. Now how you are going to subtract it? See, whenever after from any number is there, you have to write it firstly, as we are doing this in the lower grades also. So whatever number is after from, that I am going to write firstly. So 2 I am going to write first, and then my other integer is minus 3. And what I have to do in these two, I have to subtract. So I am going to put the sign of minus because I have to subtract it. Now two signs cannot be together, and what is minus minus? When two signs are same, then it is always added. So what is 2 plus 3? Now simple addition came and the answer is 5. Again you can recall what is plus plus, plus, minus minus, plus, plus minus, minus, and minus plus, minus. So when two signs are different, it is always minus, and when two signs are same, it is always plus. So here two signs were same, so minus minus plus, right? So that's how you are going to subtract it. Again example number 16, we have to subtract minus 5 from minus 58. Now minus 58 I am going to write firstly because from is there, and whatever is after from I am going to write it first. So minus 15. Now minus 5 was the other number, and what I have to do, I have to subtract it. So I am going to write here minus. Minus 58, minus minus, plus. Two signs cannot be together. So minus minus plus, and it will be 5. Now you all know this, when two different signs are there, what we are doing? Subtract. So what is 58 minus 5? 53. But out of 58 and 5, which sign will come, and which one is the greater one? Out of 58 and 5, 58. And what is the sign with 58? Minus. So the answer is minus 53. Okay, so this was your example 16. Now example 17 is subtract using a number line. See, on the basis of this example 17, example 16, we are having the questions in the exercises. So if you are going to know the concept itself in the examples, you will be able to do all the questions which are in the exercise. Now example 17 is subtract using a number line, and the question is minus 1 minus minus 3. Firstly, what you are going to do is just remove the signs which are together. What is minus minus? Plus. So I am going to write as it is. Now the way we were doing it, 0, what is it? Minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am writing it here. I am labeling the number line. Now the first number is minus 1, so I have to go from minus 1 either to the positive, either to the right, or to the negative, that means to the left. But I can see that this is plus sign. Plus means to the right, and how many moves? 3 moves. So 1, 2, 3. So after moving 3 moves to the right, I have reached where? 2. So that means the answer is 2, right? In simple calculations also you can get it. What is plus minus? Minus. 2. When two different signs are there, we are going to subtract. What is 3 minus 1? 2. And out of 1 and 3, which one is the greater? 3. And what is the sign with 3? Plus. So the answer is also be plus. So that's how we are going to do. I have verified also this question, but in this example they have asked only to show on the number line, so that's how we have represented it. Now next example 18, subtract using a number line. What is the question? Minus 1 minus plus 4. Now these two signs are together. Minus 1, what is plus minus? Minus is 4. Now we are going to represent this on the number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We have to start from minus 1, and this is minus. So minus sign is there, that means I am going to move to the left. How many moves? 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So where I have reached? Minus 5. So the answer is minus 5. This was your example 18. Now let's move to the exercise 3.4. On the basis of these 4 examples, example 15, 16, 17 and 18, all questions are based on those examples. Subtract the following: 8 from 6. Now from is there, what comes after from? 6. So that I am going to write firstly, and this I am going to write 8. And what I have to do? Subtract, because subtract is the question, so I am going to write here minus. Now this no sign is there, that means the sign is of plus. And what is plus minus? Minus. So what is 8 minus 6? 2. Now what sign will come here? Either positive or negative. 6 is positive 8 is negative. And out of 6 and 8, which one is the greater? 8. Greater one is having the negative sign, so I am going to place here negative. Let's move to the next. 84 from minus 81. From is there. What is after from? Minus 81. So I am going to write firstly. Whatever is after from, that I am going to write firstly. Then 84 will come and we have to subtract, so I am going to write as it is. Now since I am having both the signs same, when both signs are same, what is minus minus? Plus. So that means I am going to add 81 and 84. What will come on adding these two numbers? 165. And what is the common sign? Minus. So I am going to write here minus. That we have done in 3.3 also. Next, we have to subtract minus 8 from minus 7. Now from is there. After from, minus 7 is there. So I am going to write minus 7 and minus 8 as it is. And what I have to do? Subtract. So I am going to place here the sign of subtract. Minus 7 as it is. Minus minus plus. And this will be 8. Now plus and minus. What is plus minus? Subtract we are going to do. And what is 8 minus 7? 1. And what will come here? Positive or negative? Positive, because between 7 and 8, 8 is the greater one, and with the greater integer we are having positive sign. So this will be plus. Similarly, you can do D part also, E part also. Try to do by yourself. E part is same as of C. Okay. Now let's move to E part is same as B part. Okay, so you can do it. Now let's move to the next. F part. Minus 23 you have to subtract from 25. Again from. So whatever is after from, that I am going to write first. 25 I will be writing firstly. Then what is the number? Integer minus 23. So I am going to write here 23 and I have to subtract. So minus will be there. What is minus minus? Plus. This is plus. This is plus. Simply add. You will be getting the answer. Next. Minus 13 from 25. 25 because after from is there. So I am going to write 25. Minus 13 I am going to write as it is and I have to subtract. So I am going to place the sign of minus. What is minus minus? Plus, and add it, you will be getting the answer. Similarly, you can do the H part. Okay. Now let's move to question 2. Now question 2 is you have to solve using the number line. Now you have to do this question in the notebook. Each question you have to do in the notebook. Okay. Now 5 minus minus 3. Two signs are together. What is minus minus? Plus. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. This is the answer which you have to get on the number line. Now how we are going to do? We are going to represent this thing on the number line, and this will be the answer which will be coming. Now draw a number line and label it like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and here minus 1, minus 2. Now I am going to start with 5. 5 is placed here and plus sign is there. Plus means to move to the right side. How many moves? 3 moves. So 1, 2 and 3. So where I have reached? 8. So the answer is 8, and we all know that 5 plus 3 is always 8, and we have represented this on the number line. Next, minus 9 minus 11. Now how you are going to do this question? Same. Firstly you are going to draw the number line. Let me draw this like this way to you. 0 minus, what we have to do is minus 9 and minus 11 is there. When no sign is there, that means the sign is of plus. And what is plus minus? Minus. So minus 9 minus 11. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Like this I will be going on. Minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, minus 19, minus 20. Now why I have stopped here at till minus 20? Because I know that the answer will be minus 20, but I have to represent this on the number line. So what I am going to do is I am going to start from minus 9. This is minus 9 and I have to go to the left because negative sign is there. So I will be moving to left side. And how many moves? 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And after 11 moves, where I reached? Minus 20. So the answer is minus 20. Clear? So this was your B part. Similarly, you can do the C part. Now what is C part? I will be doing C part. D part you can do by yourself. Okay. Minus 5 minus minus 7. Two signs cannot be together. What is minus minus? Plus. We have to start from where? Minus 5. Plus means to the right side we have to go. How many moves? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we reached? At 2. So the answer is 2. Fine. D part you can do by yourself. Now this question 3, we are having 3 parts and this is the most important. Now how you are going to solve this question? A part is 16 plus minus 13 plus 5. This is the first part. How you are going to solve this is, the very first thing we have to do here is that two signs cannot be together. So we are going to make it 1. What is plus minus? Minus. You should know all those 4 operations. Plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. Okay, you should know all these, then only you are going to solve the questions based on integers topic. What is plus minus? Minus 13 plus 5. Now what you have to do is, the numbers which are having the same signs, you are going to add them together. Like 16 is there, no sign is there, that means the sign will be of plus. If this is of plus and this is of plus, that means plus plus. What is the meaning of plus plus? Plus. So I am going to add all the numbers of the same signs together. What is 16 plus 5? 21. What is left? Minus 13, and simple answer is 8. That's how you are going to do. Okay, let's do the B part, then you will be able to understand more. Now 2 as it is, minus minus plus, so I'm going to write here plus 9 minus 3. Now this no sign is there, that means it is plus. This is plus, this is plus, so I'm going to add these two together. What is 9 plus 2? 11 minus 3, and what is the answer? Again 8. Sorry, it was 8. In the question it is given 8. So if this is 8, so the answer is going to be 3. Right? Now let's do the C part, and C part is the most important. Question is minus 11 minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 5 plus 8. Now this is the most important question in which so many figures are given to you. First of all, I am going to solve the integers which are inside this bracket. Minus 11 as it is. First step is, no two signs should be together, so I am going to make it 1. Minus 3 as it is. What is plus minus? Minus 4. Minus 5 plus 8. Solve all the signs which were together. I have solved. Next, minus 11 minus. I am firstly talking about the integers which are inside this bracket, not outside. Firstly, we are going to solve all the integers which are inside this bracket. Now all the numbers, all the integers which are having the same signs, add them together along with the same sign. What I am saying is, all these numbers are negative, so add them together. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, and all of them having is the common sign of negative, so I am going to write here minus 8, minus 12, and this plus 8 was left, so I am going to add like this. Now next, minus 11 as it is. Now I have to solve the numbers which are inside the bracket. What is plus minus? Minus. So what is 12 minus 8? 4. But 12 is the greater out of 12 and 8, and with 12 I am having negative, so I am going to place here negative. Fine. Now minus 11. Again two signs are together. What is minus minus? Plus. So it will be plus 4. Now again, what is minus plus? Minus. What is 11 minus 4? 7. And with 11, what sign is there? Minus. So the answer is minus 7. So this was your C part, and with this your exercise 3.4 is over. Okay. Now we'll be starting with the next topic of multiplication of integers. Before starting in this very easy topic it is, for this you should know the same concept, that 4 operations which I have told you. Plus plus is plus, minus minus is plus. When two opposite signs are there, it will be minus. Now how you are going to do it, and the very same concept is used in every question of this exercise. I am giving you one question. Minus 6 has to be multiplied by minus 5. Right? So what will be the answer? You don't have to see firstly the signs. Just multiply 6 and 5. What is 6 5s are? 30. And now minus minus. What is minus minus? Plus. So the answer is plus 30. That's it. That much simple this question is. Okay. Now let's move to this example 19. Minus 9 multiplied by plus 8. You don't have to multiply it. Now in this question they are asking that if you are going to find the product, which we know 9 8s are 72. They are not asking the product. They are asking what will be the sign. Now this is minus and this is plus. Opposite signs means plus minus minus. That means negative sign I am going to get. In B part, 7 5s are 35, but they are not asking this. Minus minus plus. So that means the answer is going to be positive. Fine. So this was your example number 19. Next, let's move to exercise 3.5. You just have to find the product along with the sign. 3 you have to multiply by 6. 3 6 are 18. Both are positive. Plus plus plus. So this will be plus. Please make sure that you are going to write, even if plus is there, you have to write, you have to show them that it is plus. Now minus 5 you have to multiply by 2. Don't see the sign. 5 2s are 10. And no sign is there, that means the sign is of plus. Plus minus minus. Next, minus 1 into minus 4 you have to do. What is 4 1s are? 4, and minus minus plus. So that's how you have to do all these questions. Let's do E part. D part you can do by yourself. Let's do E part. 4 7s are 28. Now with 7, no sign is there. No sign means plus. And what is plus minus? Minus. Okay. Next, F part. 81 you have to multiply by minus 2. Now firstly you are going to multiply 81 with 2, and when you are going to multiply 81 into 2, you will be getting 162. Okay, this I have written it here. Now this is plus and minus because no sign is there with 81, so this is going to be plus. Plus minus minus. Similarly the next one, 54 you will be multiplying by 8, you will be getting 432. And what is plus minus? Minus. What is minus minus? Plus. So this answer is going to be of plus. And 48 into 4 will be 192. 25 into 2, 50. Plus minus minus. 70 into 5, 350. Plus minus minus. Right? Now let's do question number 2. Again the same. It is the same question. It's just that they have not put the brackets, but this is the same question. 6 7s are 42, and what is plus minus? Minus. 9 4s are 36, minus minus plus. 1 into 2, what is 2 1s are? 2, minus plus minus. Okay, now let's move to question number 3. Write multiplication problem corresponding to the number lines shown below. Now these two number lines are given in the question. You just have to write this in the form of multiplication like this. When we started from 0, we reached, after adding 2 3 times, I got 6. So that same line what I have just spoke, I have to write this in multiplication form. That plus 2 was multiplied how many times? 1 2 3. How many times? 3. And after multiplying it, I got plus 6 because I have gone to this side. What is plus plus? Plus. Again after combining these two, what it will be? Plus, because we are going to the right side. So this is plus 6. In B part we are going to the left side. Okay, now let us firstly see what is minus minus plus. When I did these two, minus minus is there, right? What is minus minus? Plus, but this minus is left. And what is plus minus? Minus, right? So that means in answer minus sign will come. Now minus 2 we have multiplied how many times? 3 times. So the answer is minus 6, right? So this was the easiest exercise 3.5. So I will request you to do exercise 3.4 and 3.5 in the notebooks. Thank you.